What's up, guys? I just want to do a quick video for you today, share with you a project I'm working on this afternoon. I'm going to be applying some of this Cutless Landscape and Ornamental Growth Regulator. We're expecting some rain in the forecast here tonight, so that'll give this an opportunity to get watered in. You guys know I'm a big fan of plant growth regulator for the turf. However, plant growth regulator for the shrubs is really not something that I've messed with until now. Which I'm not sure why, because I really despise trimming shrubs. I'm not sure what it is about it. I just don't enjoy it. I'm not good at it. I don't enjoy the mess that it makes, picking up all the clippings. So we're going to use this, and like I said, I've not used it before, but hopefully this will reduce the frequency of my shrub trimming, which will make me happier. We're going to be applying this stuff today at a rate of, reading the label here, for perennial woody ground covers and woody ornamental shrubs and hedges. I'm going to use a rate of 16.8 ounces per 100 square feet. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go outside and measure off each bed and calculate the square feet and apply this at 16.8 ounces per 100 square feet. To put it's a granular product, to be putting it in the beds, I picked up this Chapin hand spreader from my local farm store. It looks like it's fairly well built, so we're gonna give that a try. So yeah, that's about it. We'll take you outside and show you how we're going to do this. Quick shout out to Kenny Cooper. Got his stickers in the mail the other day. Really excited to get those put up. So Kenny has a lawn channel. He's in a northern climate, and so he doesn't grow warm season grass. But have a lot of respect for the guy. He's taking care of a pretty large property. So it's kind of neat to see the angle that those guys take when they're taking care of a lot larger yard than what I have here. So with that, let's get started. Let's go. Alright guys, so I got this project wrapped up. Perfect timing, just as the rain started to fall. I was blowing off the sidewalks. And coincidentally, I weighed this bag after I finished applying product to all of my beds. And I have almost 10.5 pounds left. It's a 21-pound bag, so I basically used half of it. So I'm pretty excited that I'll be able to get 2 applications out of this bag of Cutless. Application interval on this stuff is every 2 to 6 months. So I'll probably be applying this again in 3 to 4 months. And like I said, I haven't used it before, but hopefully this will cut down on the frequency of my shrub pruning. So I'm pretty excited about that. The Chapin handheld broadcast spreader worked really well for me. Early on it jammed a couple times, but that was because I had the trigger pulled and I stopped cranking. So that was user error. Other than that, it worked really well for this task. So I'm pretty excited to have that in the arsenal. So that's pretty much all I've had for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, obviously feel free to comment below. I'll also start a thread about this product over at thelawnforum.com. I'll post up my results there, and you can follow that. Hopefully some other folks who have used this product or similar products can chime in with their results. So pretty much all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.